Hello Amazon.com, it's me Beau along with my daughter Lucy who's holding the camera. Thank you, Lucy. We are going to be reviewing for you guys this Lightbox. And notice there's not really a lot of Amazon basics. It's actually from Amazon Basics. There's not a lot of reviews on Lightboxes. And so right out of the box it looks like this. And first impressions, it's heavy. I thought this really honestly was just gonna be cardboard, but it's got some heft to it. This is a pretty high quality type product. So already I was rather intrigued. So this is how you operate it. So there's all sorts of flaps and everything, and it may take a few times to kind of figure out how to do it. First of all, carrying straps if you really care about that, but flopping it open like so, and then it sort of accordions out like this. Check that out, look at that. Kind of goes open. And now if you were to look on the inside, Lucy, you'll see, here, come on nice and close. You'll see that this elastic automatically pulls this part down. And so when it pulls down like this, now it lays nice and flat, and then there's this canvas. Now if we were to back up, you'll see that this doesn't really make a lot of sense until you rotate it 90 degrees. And voila, we now have our white box. So go ahead and take a big step back, Lucy, so that the audience can see the whole thing. And this is being filmed by a 6-year-old, so well done, Lucy, you're doing a great job. But this is only part way. So right now we can flop this down and we sort of have it, but wait, it does actually come with lights. If you were to look on top, there's a handy little storage area. Check that out right there, the handy storage area. But we already have it out and assembled so that we don't waste your time, and the cable is right over there. So we're gonna go ahead and now plug this cable directly into the side. You'll see kind of on the upper left, there is a little port, and once we plug that in, check it out. Now it is nice and bright in there. Isn't that just absolutely beautiful? Wow, but wait
until you see the inside.
Okay, let's check out the inside. So what's so cool about this is that there are 3 different holes right there that are actually able to be opened up via magnets, which is kind of handy.
Looks like a little door.
Yes, it does. So you can open up one at a time to actually access what's in there. So now we're going to kind of, there's Velcro right there to kind of keep that there and that there, and then also something from up top as well. However, there's one more thing that we need to do, and so let's flip open the whole thing, and we are going to now, so there's a light up there, and then also a light up there, and if we undo this canvas, this comes down, and you'll notice in some reviews, I think this is what some people are kind of complaining about. You see that line right back there? Because the nature of this folding down, this canvas has a line right there, and the whole thing kind of compacts down as if it is a, like an accordion. Okay, now we are going to actually show an example. Lucy, can you put one of those in there, please, for us?
I think this giraffe would look good.
Okay, so that's about 12 inches in height, in case you're wondering sort of what that looks like. But let's go ahead and close the whole thing so that we can get a nice even light in there. And now you guys are going to be the camera, and let's just open up one hole, okay?
I know, I
so that we try to keep as much light in there as possible.
Sorry,
okay. All right, so we're gonna open up, let's just say the bottom hole, and now we're going to go on in, and that is what it looks like. Now granted, this is a video camera right there, so we're kind of cropped in. If you had a wide angle, or let's say in fact you had a your iPhone camera.
Coming off, Daddy.
Yes, I know. So the video portion on the iPhone, of course, crops in. But if you were to, let's just get rid of that right there, and check it out. Doesn't that look rather nice right there? That looks beautiful. And let's go ahead and rotate this little guy like so. So this is about 2 inches in height right there, in case you're wondering. And if we were to kind of point the camera down like this, you kind of see that white line in the background, the horizon, right over there. And then, so it's all the way up there and then down here. So when you're taking a photo, be sure to go down like this. Oh, Penny has some more too. Oh, go ahead and put them in there. Nice job, guys. Well done.
All of them in.
Yes, good job. Nice, nice. Those are looking fantastic.
I forgot.
Awesome. Now, one of the cool things that I'm going to be doing and experimenting with, I'm going to get one of those turntables because I put a lot of things out on Kickstarter. I actually run the Tacticature line. So basically we take beautiful things like jewelry and we hide weapons and knives and cool things like that inside the jewelry. And you have no idea that it's actually hidden in there. So I'm going to get a little turntable. This right now is about 25 inches from there all the way to there. From end to end, 25 inches. So I'm getting a 24-inch turntable, which should give me about a ½ an inch on either side, and that turntable is going to rotate like that. So I'll be able to put this on here, and when that shows up, I'm going to be producing a video review on that as well. Okay, awesome. Okay, very nice. So that's it. There's the quick little demonstration of this Lightbox. I hope that this is helpful in determining whether or not this is right for you. By the way, to turn it off, you simply unplug it like that. Just pull that out like so. And then it folds down the opposite of how we actually put it together.
These are sculptures.
Yes, there are sculptures. I got those in Africa doing some mission work there. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, okay, love you guys all. Hope that this is helpful. I will catch you later.
Wait.